Okay, for this lesson we're gonna learn 어때요? 어때요 is kind of the question. How about something? Okay, so 어때요? How do you think about something? Or how about? So if you want to say, how about beer today? How about beer? It is? Yes, 맥주 어때요? So you can attach the noun 맥주 here in front of 어때요. So 맥주, beer, 어때요? How about 맥주? It means let's go get some drink, 맥주, like this. Then what about this? Oh, today, how about to drink coffee? Yes, 커피 어때요? Very good. So simple and easy, right? 커피 어때요? It means, yeah, I want to drink with you, like have some coffee. Do you have time? So you can say 커피 어때요? Like this. Then what about this? Oh, it's the days in a week. So how about Monday it is? 월요일. Literally it is kind of the days of the week. So if you say 월, 요일, it means Monday. 월요일. And Tuesday? 화요일. Perfect. 화요일, Tuesday. Which 요일? 무슨 요일? Which 요일 do you like the most? 토요일 하고 일요일. 토요일 하고 and 일요일. Okay. Then what about you? 일요일 좋아요. Then how about weekend? Let's meet on weekend. Do you have time? Very good. Okay. 주말 어때요? How about weekend? Then what about just Monday to Friday? Weekdays. Oh, very good. It is weekdays. 평일. Weekdays. Or you can say 주중 어때요? Just weekdays, like Monday to Friday. 주말, weekend. Then what about it's not good? I cannot. 안 좋아요? Okay, it's very good. Yeah, 안 돼요 is better. Actually, 안 좋아요 is kind of, yeah, I get hurt from you because 안 좋아요, I'm not good. It's too strict. Okay, like this. You can use them like this. So this is about lesson 13. Thank you.